Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
Hey, welcome back to another edition of Practical Hakka on FM 100 ICRT.
Hello， 好，大家好，我是 Alice Pong。
Hello, 你好，大家好，我是 Joseph Ling. And today we're going to teach you a very practical phrase that I hope you would say on a daily basis. And no, it's not thank you. No, it's not sorry. It's a phrase when you praise someone that is beautiful, or if you see something that is beautiful, you're so beautiful. That's so beautiful, or something is so beautiful. 好漂亮。
懂奖，
懂奖，漂亮的人事物很多啦，对不对？但通常是人比较多啊，不管是恭维你啦 ，Alice， 或者是恭维，可能看到旁边有小孩啦、大人都有可能会说好漂亮，对不对？好，在妈妈聚会、爸爸妈妈聚会里面呢，可能会看到很多父母带小孩来，会说哇，你小孩好漂亮，Your kid is so beautiful, so pretty. Let's put you in this scenario where maybe a bunch of parents and kids are gathered together, and you want to say, wow, you got a very pretty kid. 这是你小孩啊。Is this your kid?
呀嘿，
呀嘿，
给声音的吼，
给声音的吼，声音的，我们以前教过，
小
孩、小朋友，声音的，
声音的
，Okay, that is a kid, okay, a little kid. 对啊，这是我小孩哦，嘿呀，然后就好漂亮 ，so beautiful, so pretty.
懂奖。
然后这个时候大家都会说，比较像谁？比较像谁？
对呀，像妈妈啦。
如果我有小孩的话啦，我是现在没有啦，但是我认为，如果我小孩漂亮的话，一定是像我老婆了。所以我可能会讲，比较像我太太了哈。Yeah, my daughter actually looks like my wife.
卡琼，牙不用啦。
哦，好难，再一个。
牙不用啦。卡丘牙不用啦。
Okay, that means 我太太是哪一个字是我太太？
牙不用。
不用就是太太的意思，
对，那我的老婆牙不用。
哦，牙 that means my, and then 不用 that is
太太
wife. Oh, okay.
那海陆强的太太
不妞 OK， 哎呦，不错的妞啊！
我是妞啊，
不妞 OK, that's a different dialect for your wife. I got it. All right. So let's go ahead and review some of these phrases, and it's all about the family members here. For instance, 小孩 your kid,
声音的
and then your wife 太太
不用，
然后两个都很漂亮的啦。
懂奖
and now you know how to say this and praise people. That does it for today's Practical Hakka on ICRT.
是母太家，
俺自say 张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.